Hello, my future fluent speaker. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty. Today, I am also very fantastic by the grace of Almighty. This is someone speaking in front of camera. As you know that I am a public speaker as well as I am an English content creator. So my duty is to practice my spoken English in public places. You can see I am standing in front of this department, and my right side is, you can see, that is Faculty of Arts in Aligarh Muslim University, and it is situated in front of the library, you can see. So today I'll try to share with you, why English is so much important in our life. Do you know why? Well, I'm making you understand properly, so don't skip this video. Keep watching this video until the end. English is not just a language. English is not just a subject. It is a tool of communication in today's world. English connects people from different countries, different cultures, or you can say different backgrounds. It is the most widely spoken international language. Let me give you an analogy, then you can understand clearly it. Okay? I mean, if a person from India meets a person from Bangladesh, but they don't speak the same language. They don't know their language. Indian people, he doesn't know Bangladeshi language, but Bangladeshi person, he doesn't know Indian language. So how can they communicate to each other? That is the main question, because they may not know each other's local language. So if you wanna talk with them or talk to each other, so you have to know English. That is the power of English. So they can communicate to each other easily, because if they know English. That's why I'm telling again and again, or you can say every single day, I'm making video for you guys, because English is really crucial or important in our life. If you if you wanna survive in this world, today in 2025. And on the other hand, you can say, if you know English, anywhere you can travel in the world. And if you know English very well, so you can make friends from different countries. If you know English very well, you can share with them anything, any ideas. If you know English, you can learn new things from them. So you need to learn English anyhow, any cost. That's why English is not just a subject that we study in class. It is a life skill. It gives us confidence. It helps us grow together and connects us with the world. So you need to learn English anyhow, any cost. So don't delay now. Keep practicing, keep improving your pronunciation. Eventually, you will improve. That is why English is so much important in your life. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Thanks for listening patiently. Thank you so much. Have a great day.